Hey folks, this is Basant here. In today's video, I am going to give you such a good magical AI tool that can clone you, generate the photos for you and even the YouTube thumbnails for you. No matter it's what the scenario, what the daytime, what the your location, it is going to clone and generate the photos for you in the different outfits. So let me give you a demo first. So you can see I have just trained this AI with my photos, and here are all the results with the different styles, different animations, different lookouts, different outfits, scenarios, and I am so much happy with it. So I also faced a issue here. Almost I got the 99% success here, but the 1% there is still some issues I got. For example, let me scroll down here. You can see all the images looks really stunning here, except for this one. You can see this is the swing outfit and it is not for the men. Okay, so this is a little bit embarrassing. And look at this one, it is lipstick here. So I got some of the don't satisfying images as well, but 99% results are outstanding. Look at this one here, see. Okay, and now let me show you this one here. Yeah, okay, and also let me open this one. Yeah, you can see it feels like literally I am sitting there and someone just shot a photo of me here. Okay, so that kind of the quality you can get it here. And not only that, I can also generate the thumbnails or the clone thumbnails with this tool here. For example, on YouTube you can see this is the thumbnail of a Netflix film here. Okay, and I just got the link of this video and just use this AI here, and it has generated the thumbnail for me. Look at this thumbnail. Okay, this thumbnail is here and this thumbnail is here, is identical, same style here, and I just haven't used any AI editing tool here. I have just used this AI and just given the link of that video, and it has just given me the 2 variations of the thumbnails. I also get the few more. If I just select from here, I can get up to the 20 variations of this thumbnail here. So this is the power of this AI tool. So this is Headshotly.ai, and this tool is really literally magical here. You have to simply go to the my models, and after that you have to generate your model here. So you can generate this model even with your images or the face. Okay, so simply click here on the create model, and after that it will ask you to upload about the 10 photos of you. So once you uploaded your photo, it is going to automatically identify your hair color, your skin tone, your body fat, everything basically, and then after that it will generate the images for you. So you can literally see and will be the amazed of the quality of the images. These images are literally outstanding here, and the best part, you don't need any technical or some kind of the prompt engineering here. You have to just give the information of you in the terms of the photos, and everything will be done here. So once your model is generated, you have to go to the photo generator, because you have trained the AI in your face or your model's information here, and now you can start generating the images with your AI clone you have done and the trained AI here. So you can generate the professional headshots, you can generate the thumbnails, you can generate the try on kind of the images, and there are so many things you can use this AI here. For example, I am going to generate the thumbnail, so I will click here on the generate thumbnail, and after that you can see we have the custom script. If you have something in your mind, you can give the script here. You can select the ratio of the image, and after that you have to just describe the thing that in that situation you want the thumbnail here, and it will generate the thumbnail for you. But here's the best thing, I want to clone the already a good thumbnail here. So simply I will select the clone YouTube, and after that I need the link of that video, and I have to select the variation. So I will go with the 2 variations here. I will select the 2 variations, and now I will go to the YouTube, and I will randomly find any of the I think the thumbnail here that I think use. So let me go with this one. So simply I will copy link. So I got the link here, and after that I need to simply paste the link of that video and simply click here on the clone YouTube here. So every time I am using this cloning feature or generating the any image out of my model here, it will cost me the 10 credits, and that is I think the sufficient and enough for you. So you will see your credits information here, and it will show you how much the credits you have remaining right now. So I got its lifetime deal till its thumbnail is generating here. Let me talk about its lifetime deal that is available on the app Sumo. So this is the lifetime deal I am talking about, and here you can see you can generate the professional headshot, you can generate the thumbnails with the AI, and you can so many features see it here. Okay, so we have the multiple tier plans available, and every tier plan can give you the monthly credits. Okay, so as soon as you got its lifetime deal, you are going to use the this tool, this AI, for generating your images, clone yourself, generating or cloning the thumbnails, and the so much things for your lifetime. Every month you will get the credits that you can use here. So in the tier 1 plan, we got the 50 credits, and you can generate up to the 5 images every month, and that is not sufficient. So that's why I suggest go at least with the tier 2 or the tier 3 plan, because here we have the much more higher credit limits. Then I can train the models, means the how many the models I can train with AI to generate the images for them. Okay, so in the tier 2 we have the 6, tier 3 we have the 12, and in the tier 1 only we have the 2 here. And you can see we have also some of the limits available, like we cannot do the YouTube thumbnails for the script and the AI canvas editor here. So for that we need the tier 3 plan. Okay, so for higher plans you will get the higher access of the features. So what I suggest, go with at least tier 2 or the tier 3 plan, and that will be sufficient for you. The link for this lifetime deal of the Headshotly.ai is given in the description. So now let me go to the platform and let's see my thumbnails are generated or not. Yeah, it's still in the working here. It can take up to the 60 seconds to 2 minutes to generating your thumbnail, but once that is ready, you will be the mind blowing. So I will go to its platform and talk about its other features while my thumbnail is generating here. Okay, so I already talked about the my models, where you are going to train the AI according to your images. There's also the explore section available, where you can check out the different images here, and there will be the recreate button available. Okay, so with this recreate, you can just recreate this image, but with your AI trained images or the model here. Okay, so we have this so many options available. We can also just filter out with this filtering section available, and right now I have selected the fantasy mystical. We have the high drama cinematic, and this list goes so on. Like if you want your holiday images, there's the holiday theme available. Okay, then in the my favorite, basically it will show you all of your marked images that you have marked out of the generating. Okay, so basically we have the 2 core features available. First is the my model, and the second is the photo generator. In the photo generator we have the so many options available that we can use to generating the images. Let's see. Yeah, my thumbnail are generated, and let me show you them. The result is really outstanding. You can check it out here. See, this is really amazing. So this is my designed thumbnail with the Headshotly.ai, basically the clone, and this is the original one. Let me show you out. Okay, so basically the theme is same, the style is same, but I don't have to just lay out the any finger on my editing tools here. Just use this AI and I got the results here. Let me show you the second one. See, this second one, this is first one, and this is really magical here. So this is the Headshotly.ai. If you want to check it out, lifetime deal, I think you should not miss it out. Link is given in the description. And that's all for today's video. I want to talk about, just grab this deal, go to my models, clone yourself, and start generating the photos for you and even for your videos thumbnail. That's all for today's video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated for all these kind of the videos. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.